G'day, how are you? This is Steve Hay. Welcome to Woodworking Masterclass. So I've got some picture frames that the glass is broken in, and I thought, well, I might as well fix those. It's a caricature of an illustration of the first book that I had published. That just slides out. Now I need a piece of glass the size of that. All right, so first of all I want a straight edge. Cutting glass is really quite simple. The trick is you've got to be confident. If you're not confident, there's every chance you're going to botch it. Now by confident, what I mean is just take one stroke and that's all you need. If you try and do multiple cuts, you end up in all sorts of problems. So one cut all the way down. If you like, and if you're wondering what that little hammer bit's for, whoops, that's for just tapping the glass. Or I have seen people on smaller sheets say, tap the back, and it brings the fracture all the way through. And with a pair of, well, these are Gros pliers, just, there we go. I would have preferred that came off in one go, but it wasn't to be. So there I've got a nice straight edge. Get rid of these bits. Unfortunately, you can't put this down and then run the glass cutter around it because the cutter tip is about 2 mil away from the edge. So what I do is put that along the edge of what it is I want to cut. Then get my ruler alongside that, and then that cutting wheel on the edge of the tape. And then I bring the ruler up to where this shoulder is sitting. That way I've got a fence for the glass cutter to sit on, and I'm pretty well on the mark. Now one, that's not going to work, or we might get away with it, I don't know. Might. Oh no, I'll get away with that. What happened there was I lost concentration and I went away from my line. But it's okay. Normally you can allow for a little bit of missing because you've got that frame it's got to go into. So that's not too bad. We'll get away with that. You can just see there it's hasn't got a bit of glass, but that doesn't matter. So now we've got to get a straight edge and just start just off the glass and make sure you go off the other end of the glass. That way I get a nice clean break like that. Same for the top here. What I'm going to do, I'm not even going to do the tape thing now. I'm actually sliding this down a couple of mil off the bottom of the glass. So you can see there, that's protruding off the bottom, and that will allow for that shoulder on the cutter. So if I use this edge, and if I hold my mouth right, we should be a good fit. Off the glass, straight over off the other end. And then just crack. Like that. That goes there, that goes there. and that goes there. I'm just going to clean the glass. I don't know how long this frame's been broken, but it's certainly nice to get it fixed. And there you go. New piece of glass on an old frame. When you're doing it, make sure the glass you're using isn't thicker than the glass you took out. This is 2 mil, so